Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is another video. So in this video I want to teach you guys how to set up Amazon KDP account. So in this video we are going to talk about Amazon KDP. So what is Amazon KDP? The KDP means Kindle Direct Publishing. So I know a lot of you will have heard about Amazon, a shopping platform in the US. So Amazon KDP is a way of self-publishing your book. So which means self-publishing means you will publish your book yourself without looking for any publisher. So Amazon KDP is a platform, a US platform where you can list your book, you publish it, and it will be available on the Amazon website. So people can order your book, whether it is ebook, whether it's paperback, whether it's hardcover. So there are a lot of books you can sell on Amazon KDP. You can sell children's story books, you can sell religion book, you can sell cooking recipe, you can sell health and fitness, you can sell how to make money ebooks. You can sell fiction novels, you can sell non-fiction novels. So there are a lot of genres which you can actually sell on Amazon KDP. So let me talk about what you need to set up your Amazon KDP account. To set up Amazon KDP account is totally free, and you don't need to be a writer to sell on Amazon KDP. I repeat, you don't need to be a writer to sell on Amazon KDP. So you need a virtual account. You need a virtual account. When I say a virtual account, I mean you need a US account or Euro account or pound account. You need a US dollar account. So, and how can you get a US dollar account? You can get a US dollar account from Payona, or you get it from other platforms like Grey app, or you get it from Wise app, or you get it from GitPay, and there are a lot of platforms like that. So I'm gonna list the platform once I start this video, which you can get a virtual US account or Euro account or pound account. So, and if you have someone already abroad that you can trust with money, then you can message them and ask them to give you your whether US dollar bank account details or European bank account details. So then what do you need? You need Canva. Like, you need to learn Canva. You have to start practicing with Canva because you are going to design your cover, ebook cover, or art paperback or hardcover. So I cannot teach you how to do all that in this video. It's gonna be a long video, so I'm just some other time I'll make a video on how to design your ebook cover according to your book. But in this video, I'll teach you how to get a book, even if you are not a writer. I'll teach you some little trick on how to write a book. And also, do not write a book with ChatGPT, because if you write a book with ChatGPT, Amazon will know. So, like, and I'm not saying you should write with ChatGPT at all. If you really want to write a book with AI, then you need to paraphrase the book. So, what do I mean by paraphrasing a book? I mean you have to edit a particular book. And how can you edit a particular book? When you write with AI, pick your pen and your book, then read what AI writes for you. You should go through everything written to you by AI and rewrite it, then write them down in a simple English and in a way whereby people will think it is written by you. Write it down according to your understanding. Don't just publish the book directly just as it is given to you by AI. And also, another thing you need to know is you should not have two Amazon Gateway accounts, because if you have two Amazon Gateway accounts, then it's gonna be a blast. Amazon will terminate your account, and that's one of the problems we often face, whereby we create two Amazon Gateway account. You should create two Amazon Gateway account because it is in the terms and condition that you should never have two Amazon Gateway account. You should have only one. And once your account is terminated, you can't create another one anymore. So you have to be very, very careful on what you are going to publish. So What are the minimum there? Oh, Amazon actually do not have the minimum payout, which means even if you earn 1 cent in a particular month, it will be sent to your bank account. So you don't need to wait till you have so amount before you can withdraw. No. But Amazon usually pay 2 months after your dashboard, your royalties. Like if you, let's say this is April right now, so any money you earn in April will be paid to you by June. They pay 2 months after the royalties period. So what other things do you also need? If you want to create a virtual account for Payoneer, you need to receive $100 into your Payoneer account before you can be given a free virtual account. So now, how can you get the $100? If you have like $100 with you, or maybe you know someone very close to you, you can, with a Payoneer account, you can give them that money and they will send the money to your Payoneer account. So you can be given a virtual account. If you are using a Gray, the Gray app, like for me, I'm using the Gray app. The Gray is not available in all countries. Country that can, or let me not say country, let me say the citizen that can use Gray app is Nigeria, Ghana, Tanzania, and Kenya. These are the 4 African countries that can use the Gray app. So you need your government ID, whether international passport, voter's card, ECOWAS ID card, your national education slip, a national education number slip, or ID card. So you need one of these government ID card or driving license, one of the government issued ID card to create account. So and it's very easy. And you also need utility bills. So I'm explaining to you. I'll make a video some other time on how to create a Gray virtual account. So I'm not gonna talk about others because Gray is what I use, and I'm also going to make a video on how to create a Payoneer account. So and whenever you are able to receive $100 to account, you can get a free virtual account. So also some people may be thinking, does Amazon KDP accept PayPal? No, Amazon KDP doesn't accept PayPal. It doesn't accept PayPal. It doesn't accept Stripe. It doesn't accept all these digital banking except for a virtual account. And there are also some of these bank in our society that also give domiciliary account. For example, like Jet Bank or Sterling Bank, with Zenith Bank, UBN Bank, they give out domiciliary account. So you can visit your bank and also tell them you want a domiciliary account. So if they issues domiciliary account, I mean if your bank issue domiciliary account, then they are gonna give you your domiciliary account, which is also known as your US bank account. So you can receive